Hello everybody, my name is Marion. I'm the co-founder of Paleng, which is a library in the rural village of Tianku, Malialia. I have a colleague, Kgotatso Ranusi, who is a local man. The two of us work together to cater as a library for the young children in this valley. The library caters for children between the ages of 6 and 10 or 12, depending on the grade. We have books in English and Sesotho, and they are arranged in boxes so that we go from wordless picture story books right up to a level which is probably around grade 3 or grade 4. We set up Paleng because we could see the need in this valley was enormous in terms of children having access to books. I don't think there are many children who have books at home of any description. So the aim was to give children access to books. And because we're a library, we also run other activities. So we have little projects that the children do with us, little games that we play, little activities that we do, but every single one of them will contain some kind of literacy. What we did when we realized that there are very few libraries in other rural areas is that we duplicated our little library. We've done that in an orphanage at Mahali's Hook, and that library caters for the children in the orphanage as well as the children in the community at large. We also helped set up a very small library, an in-school library in Kokobe village, which is very far south, in order for the school to begin to cater for children needing to take books home, and we hope that that will also become in time a community library. Paleng is a not-for-profit organization, and we run entirely off generous donations of books and funding from people who have understood what we're trying to do and appreciate the need. So we are very grateful for any donations, whether it's books, toys, materials, or money to print books, print our own books and distribute them.